It's fucking peanut butter.
I'm not tasting it.
Hi, welcome back to Mama Debz kitchen. I already messed up. Billy's already yelling at me before we started.
Don't blame me.
I'm blaming you because you messed me up. Are we starting over?
Yeah, start over.
Okay. What am I doing?
Just go.
Welcome back to Mama Debz kitchen. Today we're going easy and old school. So, the cake fiasco. I'm trying another dessert here after that. We are going to make, I don't even know what they're really called. They're the peanut butter cornflake bars that we used to get. I remember them from elementary school. My sister remembers them from Roosevelt. I only remember them from Horace Mann Elementary.
When did you go to elementary school?
A long time ago.
Okay.
A long time ago. So here I have, I'm going to bring it over so they can see, a cup of Karo syrup, a cup of sugar, and a cup and a half of peanut butter. Easy peasy. We just melt this together. And I had a test run on these because my brother, who's in his 60s, remembers these from Horace Mann Elementary as well. And he literally showed up to my house with 2 boxes of cornflakes, and he took a whole batch home a week ago. So, yeah.
Are these filled with sugar?
They're filled with sugar.
And doesn't he have diabetes?
He does have diabetes,
And
but
you still fed it to him?
well, he takes his pills. He's still here. Okay. And you know what? When you like make cookies and everything, you got so many ingredients, and I think we forget about these little easy desserts that we got when we were younger. So, oh, I also have to give a shout out to Monica Flynn. My girlfriends, Sherry, Monica Silvas, Sherry Thompson, Monica Flynn. Monica Silvas took me out for an early birthday celebration. I got lots of nice gifts, and Monica bought me a couple of aprons for my show, and some pot holders and little dish towels, and I got candles, wine, of course. You know, you gotta give me wine. And makeup bags. We had a really fun night, so thank you, ladies.
Yeah, it's 1:42. You're starting late on the wine today.
I am starting late on the wine today. It's right there, though. What we have to do here is wait till the sugar, I guess, crystallizes so that it combines everything together. And I really literally just made that up. I don't know if that's what it takes, but I was thinking about that the other day, thinking, why do I need sugar and Karo syrup? So I think it's a binding factor. It's football season. Is everybody excited about that? We're Cowboys fans in this house. And every year my kids say, do you think the Cowboys are going to make it to the Super Bowl? It's been a lot of years asking that question. And you should tune into their shows also. They have the press conference on the Ray Network and In the Clinch, which is their MMA series.
You won't tell them to do anything?
Tell who to do anything.
The audience.
About to watch my show?
Well, no.
Oh, like, subscribe, share, and comment. Sharing is the most important thing. That's where we get our views. So sharing with your friends helps us a lot. So I think the recipe also calls for like 6 cups of cornflakes. I kind of just do it until it's the consistency I like, because I don't want it to be too dry with a lot of cornflakes. So once this is, and I think I just poured that half the box in here, so I don't really have a perfect measurement for that. You kind of just cook this until it comes to a little bit of a boil. It's bubbling now.
It's become a browning situation with meat.
What? No, it doesn't brown. It already
I
is.
know, I'm saying. It's become like that. Remember, the meat took so long to brown.
Oh, yeah.
I have to cut some of this out.
Yeah. Now we're adding in the cornflakes. I'm turning the heat off. I mean, like, we could, literally, we could, you guys could introduce this to your kids and they'll never say, oh, I had that before. This is from, I'm gonna be kind and say the 70s, I'm gonna say, when we had it.
Oh, you were like 20 in the 70s.
Oh, yeah, no, I wasn't. Look at that. Are you gonna taste test it for me or no?
Absolutely not.
First child, spoiled. I don't want to try that. Eric and Danny are at their friend Chandler's wedding. Danny's in the wedding and Eric is a guest. They both looked very handsome today and they would be my taste testers because they're not afraid to try shit like Billy is. So I'm gonna have to taste test for you. And I did tell Monica that I would bring her some over after, so she'll get to, well, she won't be on camera, but she'll taste test it. Yeah, that's enough of the cornflakes. And now we're just going to press it in. To this, I sprayed the pan with a little bit of spray just in case, I don't know what would make it stick, but just in case. It's hot. Look at that. Oh my God. Gooey, gooey goodness.
That's what she said.
Ew. Okay, and I just wet my hands a little bit just so they wouldn't stick. I'm gonna give it a little chance to harden. And don't say that's what she said, okay? And then we'll be right back to do a little taste test.
That's what she said.
Oh my God. We're out.
That's not how we do it.
Okay, whatever. Get going, Abby.
How do you not understand this yet?
Because I just am confused right now. I got hair in my eye. Hi, we're back. And look at this beautiful Rice Krispie. I mean, it's not Rice Krispie, it's cornflake peanut butter square. Billy, like I said before, Billy and I are the only ones here, and he won't try it because, I don't know. But Eric and Danny would, so I'm going to do the taste test. Oh my God, that's so good.
Is it really good or are you just saying it?
No, it's really good. You'll never know because you won't try it.
I'll sleep on it.
Tune in next week. I think, well, in a couple of weeks, my sister's going to be here. And I think we're going to do Scottish week and make my mom's steak pie and possibly a Victoria sponge, which is a cake with, in Scotland they put jam and then cream in the middle. We do it with chopped up strawberries and like a glaze. So look forward to that. Thank you for joining in. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.
How long did you leave this in the fridge?
This was in the fridge for about half an hour, just for it to bind. Thank you, everyone. Have a great weekend. Next week. Watch my show on Wednesdays at 9 o'clock. Have a good day. Thank you so much.
Hi.
Well,
Have a great week.
I want you to taste this.
I'm not tasting
It's
it.
fucking peanut butter.
I'm not tasting it. Do not bring it near me.
Oh, good one.